Welcome back to the continuing coverage ng ating Motivated 3x3 Season 4 Influencers Cup. Dito pa rin tayo sa Amoranto Arena here in Quezon City. Charles Bechong here, Carlo Pamituan, and Bea Escudero at courtside. And this battle will feature Flip Phenomenal Soul going up against Filipino Mixtape. Mga nanalo naman to kanina. Here is Chooks. That won't work. Gerard Husayan, the offensive rebound. He got doubled that time.
Si Chooks kanina pa may iniinda, no? Yung kanyang right knee.
I'm surprised na naglalaro pa din siya.
Pinipilit niya talaga. Doon mo makikita talaga yung gigil sa laro, no? The way you just feel you can just be okay, risk everything kahit na nga hindi ka 100%. Just being one with your team, fighting with your teammates. Sometimes that's what it is all about.
He was the season MVP of season 3.
Up.
Mr. Mainit and
mainit,
Gerard Husayan.
Mainit yung umpisa.
So may bagong player ngayon ng Phenomenal Soul. It's Ned, also known as Mr. Calculator. Have you seen his videos on TikTok?
Some of it. Yung mga tumatawid sa mga Instagram tsaka Facebook.
Score is tied, 1 apiece. Ned sets the pick. So there's a foul just before the shot. Husayan against Reaper. He has the size advantage. Sorry, miss. Reaper lets it fly and he knocks it down.
Nagtahan tayo ng maaga shooting, no? Nitong si Reaper, nagantihan naman.
Don't be deceived by his small frame. He can make things happen here.
Hindi pa nga siya nagba-breakdown basketball dito, no? Still playing within the system. Straight but a little bit short. Pero sinaklolohan siya.
Last season, itong sina Reaper, exhibition game lang yung kanilang nilaro. And now, finally kasali na talaga sila dito sa ating Influencers Cup. Chooks working his way against Mr. Mainit. Ned, naubusan na ng oras and Flip Phenomenal Soul will turn the ball over. Balik ang bola dito sa Filipino Mixtape. Nine seconds to work with for Filipino Mixtape. Mr. Mainit, reverse. Chooks, the sidestep, the dipsy-do. That won't work.
Kung mas malakas lang yung kanan tuhod niya, malamang pumasok yun Kaso hindi nga siya 100%, kaya kulang yung lift. At least he was still able to draw the foul.
Kahit hanggang ngayon sinusuntok-suntok niya pinapagpag niya Definitely there's something wrong. And the way he's defending right now, he's hobbling. Chooks left wide open. Surprisingly, kahit na may iniinda siya, he still has a lot of legs on that shot.
Ayun, stretch pa ng konti kasi mukhang nasaktan na naman. Pero hindi nila inaatake, no? Itong si Chooks. They're actually letting him get away with it on the defensive end.
Another try for Chooks. That won't work this time. Ned. Now to the Reaper. And the Reaper knocks it down. That's his second 2 of this game. Ned gustong bumawi.
Dito mama sa ring.
Rebound. Talagang ini-exploit nila yung depensa nito ni Reaper ngayong gabi na to.
Hesi, ball fake. Nasaraduan ang pinto.
Natamaan yata si Chooks doon. But he seems okay. Husayan, nilabas yung bola. And a 2-pointer delivered by Gerard Husayan. Mr. Mainit. Wala sa kanya yung bola. Papalitan siya ngayon dito ni Miko Pepito TV. Na timeout has been called by Filipino Mixtape. The score is 9-7, 5:37 remaining here in this game. Five minutes and 37 remaining here in this game. Dalawang hinahabol dito ng Filipino mixtape. Reaper, the attack, the drop, and the finish. Reaper, or Chooks rather, against Reaper. This will be a long night para kay Reaper.
Pero ito pwede mo sugurin di ba? Pwede mong bilisan yung laro. Try to attack that injured right knee.
Nico Pepito TV. Now it's with Chooks. Talagang may... Alam mo na he can make those shots eh. You know that he can make those kinds of shots. Just talaga may iniinda lang ngayon.
Kasi natural yung itsura no? The attack looks good. The lift just isn't there.
Chooks the kick out. Ned for two. 5 na ang kalamangan ngayon ng Flip Phenomenal Soul. Reaper against the tallest player here in the category.
No, inaabutan na rin siya ng pagod dito pero bago siya magpasab, nakados pa rin. Naghihintay ng dead ball no? Naghihintay ng dead ball itong si Reaper kasi kailangan niya ng huminga ng kaunti dito.
Pinoy Sakuragi. That's what you want to see from your big guys. Di na ibababa yung bola. Iaangat na lang. Filipino mixtape trying to make a name for themselves right now. Let's see this again. Pinoy Sakuragi. (14-10) is the score. 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. 4-point lead para sa Team Flip Phenomenal Soul.
Alam mo, syempre, as the seasons move forward dito sa Motivated, itong mga players na to susubukang maghanap ng mas maraming information about how you play the 3x3 game, right? Yung isa sa nakikita natin on the international scene, yung substitutions is mabilis. Diba? Parang every play, every dead ball may papasok, may lalabas para walang nabababad, walang masyadong napapagod. Pero dito dahil nga yung iba, dito lang talaga nakakapaglaro ng formal 3x3. Patagalan yung players, magpapasab lang pag inabot na nga nung pagod, no? So, maybe it's something that they could learn, they could adjust in the future tournaments that we will have here.
Some of the players that we've talked to, ang sabi nila, ngayon lang sila nakapaglaro talaga ng 3x3. Dito yung first time. So, kanina nga sa Content Creators Cup, may nag-i-inbound ng bola sa baseline.
Nilalabas
Hindi nila alam na dapat dito sa labas ng 2 points.
Tapos tulad kanina, no? Itong si Axel Torres nagpaulan ng 5-2. Lalaro siya, maganda yung pinapakita niya. Pero nung inabutan na siya ng pagod, nagpalit, tapos hindi na siya nakabalik sa laro, di ba? Doon nga yun yung dahilan kung bakit naubusan yung kupunan niya.
Gusto bumawi ngayon ng laro na, ngayong laro na to, itong si Axel Torres. That time he knocks it down. Will that be sustainable for him? Pero lamang ng 7 dito ang Flip Phenomenal Soul. 8 seconds to work with para kay Chooks against bounce. Pinoy Sakuragi hands it off. Axel Torres puts it up.
That's a good play.
Puts it in. The basketball gods, alam na maganda yung ganong play eh. Most likely, papasok talaga yung tira eh.
Sukat na sukat yung timing ng ball screen.
And on the other side, it's bounce. Splitting the defense and for that layup.
Dalawa na lang yung kailangan dito
Shot clock's down to 1. They weren't aware. Ayun nga, isa pa sa mga kailangang matutunan din over, you know, the games na malalaro nila. Yung shot clock. Dahil siguro sanay ang ating mga manlalaro dito na 24.
Oo, sa 24. Hindi ka pwedeng masyadong matagal mag-isip, di ba? Dapat dito, committed ka kung ano yung susunod mong gagalawin. Yung mga ISO na matagal, yung lilingon ka muna, titingin ka muna kung saan yung mga kakampi mo. Hindi pwede yan. Dapat patuloy lang, ikot lang ng tao.
Speaking of commitment, you cannot second guess yourself dito sa 3x3. It will do you no good as there's a foul drawn by Pinoy Sakuragi.
Dos na lang po yung hinahanap.
Will this be it?
Oh!
That will do it! Axel Torres delivering the goods. Para sa Flip Phenomenal Soul, hindi naubos yung 10 minuto natin. Axel Torres, when he was needed the most, nakapagpahinga naman siya after a couple of games. Let's take a look at the Eurotex Foam game highlights. Gerard Husayan was a factor here early in this game, pero ang tumapos talaga sa kanila si Axel Torres.
3 sunod-sunod na dos yung binitawan pagkatapos niyang pumasok sa laban. 15 nung pagpasok niya, 21 sa kanya lahat. Yung dulo, kaya naman siya yung ating pipiliin na best player of this game para pamunuan ng kanyang kupunan. 21-11 ang kanilang panalo in their second game of the tournament.
So 1-1 is the win-loss record. Bigyan na natin sa ating courtside reporter, Bea Escudero.
With a final score of 21-11, Team Flip finally wins their first game here in the eliminations, and our best player of the game is Axel Torres. Axel, you came in late in the ball game, but you were able, ikaw yung naging susi para sa panalo na yun. Pag-usapan mo lang yung momentum, especially losing your first game despite your hot shooting.
Siguro prepared naman kami dahil nagawa na rin namin to before. Actually, sanay na rin ako sa 3-on-3 tsaka yung bola nila. Kaya siguro sa shooting, medyo yun lang yung maambag ko talaga yung shooting eh. So, di rin ako dumadrive masyado. So, feeling ko yun na yun talaga. Yeah.
Ano yung mga magiging adjustments or game plan heading into the next few games para lang makuha nyo yung next round, especially yung sa semifinals?
Feeling ko yung adjustment namin, wala, defense lang talaga. Kasi yun naman talaga yung kailangan eh. Pag dumipensa ka, tapos the rest, babagsak na lang yan eh. Makakashoot ka or basta mabigay mo lang yung best mo sa defense.
Right, Ax, may gusto ka bang batiin or pasalamatan?
Binabati ko yung family ko, nasa Taguig, yun. And yun, yun lang.
Alright, once again, that was Axel Torres of Team Flip. Now let's turn it over to the panel.